cake. How can we cut it? Take a picture. It says, "Happy birthday, baby Jesus."
Are you serious?
You should have told me it was
I am
baby
the most
Jesus.
non-religious person in the world.
You called yourself baby Jesus. Yeah, but Bob. And that's the only cake they had.
I know them niggas like, are you sure about this?
And this is Sean's cake, so we'll sing happy birthday.
Send it to her. I'm gonna send it to her.
Yeah. Happy birthday to
you. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dominic. Happy birthday to you.
And
many more.
Want this to be a first for.
Right on, man.
Sure, go ahead.
You want the whole Jesus part?
That's
So this is a strawberry.
Oh my goodness.
strawberry filled.
You get me, John?
Wicked movie.
Yeah, I'm gonna send it to Dominic.
W6.
Say hi, Dominic. Happy birthday. How old are you, Dominic?
25.
25.
I'm not 30.
December 2019.
I think you can have one.
Give it a shot. I'm going to the dentist back on the weekend.
Well, there's one for Sean too. Sean.
You got I think that's a tiramisu, man.
Tuxedo chocolate. Take a picture. So I don't know what you want, but I'll cut.
Wow.